M. De Losario, bringing you the weather forecast for this week. Pag-asa report on Monday, March 3, 2025. Bukawi, Bulacan experienced typically March weather conditions, temperatures and conditions. The forecast high temperature for the day was 95 Fahrenheit, 34 Celsius, with a low of 76 Fahrenheit, 34 Celsius. Actual conditions including considerable cloudiness, with the temperature reaching the forecasted high. Health advisory. Given the high temperature, it's advisable to stay hydrated, avoid prolonged sun exposure during peak hours, and wear appropriate sun protection. Tuesday. Expect cloudy conditions with a chance of showers in Bukawi, Bulacan today. The high temperature is forecasted to be around 92 Fahrenheit, 33 Celsius, with a low of approximately 76 Fahrenheit, 24 Celsius. March 5, 2025, Wednesday. In Bukawi, Bulacan on March 5, 2025, the temperature is 91 Fahrenheit, 33 Celsius, with the cloud conditions. The relative humidity is 55%, results in a heat index of approximately 96 Fahrenheit, 36 Celsius, indicating that it feels hotter than the actual temperature due to humidity. March 6, Thursday. In Bukawi, Bulacan on March 6, 2025, the temperature is 105 Fahrenheit, 41 Celsius, with the cloudy conditions. The relative humidity is 70%, resulting in a heat index of approximately 105 Fahrenheit, 41 Celsius, indicating that it feels hotter than actual temperatures due to humidity. As of it, 10:43 a.m. on Friday, March 7, 2025. In Bukawi, Bulacan, the weather is mostly sunny, with a temperature of 87 Fahrenheit, 30 Celsius. The forecast for today indicates partly sunny conditions to have mostly cloud skies with possible afternoon thunderstorms. Due to extreme heat, schools dismissal classes early. People are advised to drink plenty of water to prevent heat stroke. High temperatures pose serious health risks, especially for children and the elderly. Staying hydrated, avoid direct sunlight for extended periods, and wear light clothing can help minimize the effect of extreme heat. It is also important to recognize the signs of heat-related illness such as dizziness, nausea, and excessive sweating, and seek immediately medical attention if needed. Saturday, March 8, 2025, weather is light rain in Bukawi. The daytime temperature is going to reach 86 Fahrenheit, 32.2 Celsius. There's a light rain outside, so don't forget to bring your umbrella. On Sunday, March 9, 2025, the temperature will reach 9.6 Fahrenheit, 32 Celsius. Expect a hot day, so stay hydrated and wear light clothes if you're heading outdoors. It may feel even warmer than the actual temperature, so take precautions to stay cool. And I'm Marian Angeline M. De Losario. Thank you and have a nice day.